Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to estimate shipping on Pandabuy. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Pandabuy, you might want to click on the sign up option. Now, creating an account here is a very straightforward and easy process. All you're going to do is provide your email address, create a strong password, choose your location or region, and click on the sign up button, and you're all set. Now, there are two ways for you to get an estimate on shipping here in the Pandabuy platform. Now, the first option is, say for example, you're gonna be looking for a specific product. Maybe let's go for the American Retro Rodman. Now, from here, just click on the product that you wanted. Maybe this one. You can simply buy it now or add to cart. But the thing is, when you hover down below, right here, now it depends on your interface. But as you can see, there's an option here for the estimation. Click on it. Or you can simply navigate your cursor here. As you can see, you can source this product. Now, the Pandabuy certified warehouse and the shipping fee is free, but you can click on the estimate international shipping fee if that's available for you. Say, for example, I'm located here in the United States, and obviously it's not free. What I might need to do is click on the estimate international shipping fee, and from here, all I'm going to do is click on confirm and the destination. Now, from here, click on the destination, which is going to be US. There you go. And obviously the item category, that's going to be shoes. I believe that's a common brand. And I don't know about the weight. Let's say, for example, it's less than a kilo. I don't know. Let's just guess some information here. Right. And then all you're going to do is click on the inquire button, the green one. And from here, you would see the results. And here, you can accept for Pandabuy proprietary shipping lines. And these are going to be your options for shipping method or delivery. You have FedEx, you have UPS, you have a lot. USPS line, USA line, and a lot more. So if you wanted to check the cheapest among them, some are restricted because they do not meet the minimum requirements for the weight estimation. I believe the cheapest would be the CN line USA. And when you click on the see details right here, so it will take you to 1 to 16 days transit time. And as you can see, you might want to read all the information here before clicking on the accept agreement, because the exclusive delivery route, commercial customs clearance, and a lot more would vary on your decision if you wanted to push with the cheapest. But if you wanted like 1 to 2 days or 2 to 9 days, you might want to go for a FedEx, but it would cost you a lot, right? So you might want to take that into consideration. But you might want to click on the customized shipping right here, wherein, as you can see, you can use the customized shipping only in the following situations right here. There are no shipping options, only for your items, and you have special requirements for the shipping route. Now click on confirm, and all you're gonna do is provide all the information here, such as your address and a lot more. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.